Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're well today. I think by now we're all familiar with screw type chain tools. But have you ever seen one of these? Chain pliers. If you're looking to save time on chain cutting, this could be your answer. So let's take a look at it.
Unior's chain pliers are made from hardened and tempered special tool steel and are chrome plated to comply with EN 12540. The pin is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel and is induction hardened. Finally, it is blackened to comply with DRN 50938. The long ergonomic handles offer great leverage, lowering physical effort, and are plastic dipped for comfort. When worn out, the pushing pin can be replaced for a new one using a flat screwdriver. These pliers are designed to center the chin's rivet with the tool spin, making extraction easy. Unior's chain pliers are compatible with all modern half-an-inch pitch standard chains.
Okay, if you like these babies, just leave a comment below to let us know. Until then, I'll see you next time.